Sorry about my hair. I've been riding a dirt bike, but I'm gonna do welcome to the video. I'm gonna be doing a trail riding video with my dirt bike. Hold up. Sorry if you're wearing headphones, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing a trail riding video, and I'll see you guys when we get there. I would be on our Kubota, but we gotta feed cows, so yeah. I'm sorry, we had a change of plans. Our dad's planting ryegrass, so I had to get him a water. But I'm still doing trail riding. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing a Finding Snappy Part 2, trying to find him, or Part 1, because I released them. But yeah, see you guys when we get to the trails. Bye. Okay, so we're on the trails now, but I don't know how much I can video, because I gotta hold on because it's extremely bumpy. But yeah, but I am I don't know if you can hear me, but I did find a camera to video or like to vlog with. But yeah, hold up, I gotta go. But this video's gonna be short, but yeah. So like it's gonna be extremely short because I just don't have a lot to video, and I know the video of this is extremely crappy, but we gotta we're gonna side in a few guns today. But yeah. My mom knows I have a YouTube channel. Just a second. My mom knows I have a YouTube channel, but my dad doesn't. And I'm scared if he finds out that he'll like delete it or something. But yeah. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye. Be one of a kind. Bye.